there's something about Newport House where people come and they feel appeased. Well, it happened organically. I live here and the garden cries for visitors, cries for sculptures. I'm involved with the Cart Shed, which is a charity that works with people with mental health issues outdoors.
This is our pop-up woodland where we've come along today to Out of Nature, just to give an example of the sort of things that we do at the Cart Shed. And the Cart Shed is a charity based in Herefordshire. We operate from 2 woodland sites, one here beautiful at Newport House and the other over at Norton Cannon near to Hereford. We just provide woodland therapy for folk with mental health issues.
It's a good place to come back to nature, hence the title Out of Nature.
We have an integral link as human beings with stone, but granite has almost, it lasts for an eternity almost, so you're talking about 20,000 years.
I'd say it's about experiencing being outdoors and admiring beautiful colours of autumn and being wowed by a piece like this, which took hours to make, and it's all made out of birch, and it's beautiful from outside and it's beautiful from inside, and you have the little round window which enables you to see the clouds go past.